Alright guys, last test of the 6700. So the 6700 will be coming down, maybe by the end of today, but after this you won't really see much of it anymore. Sure, I'll make some testing videos on it, but it's not going to be on the wall anymore, because I'm putting the IO 1000 up. I'll probably end up making a testing board for this in the garage, but you still won't see much of it. But, yeah, nothing changed. So, yeah, let me just make the announcement so no one gets scared. Alright, guys, so, show the inside of this for no reason. And then the inside of this again. Last time you'll be seeing this thing up. Also, the IO 1000 is going to be mounted on a piece of plywood because it's so heavy. The wall cannot take it. Alright, let's do this. Why is my camera not showing this? There we go.
Attention please, there has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevators. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, this is the new pole station, so I had no more troubles after that. Yeah, inside it's basically the same, just the newer, whatever. So yeah, so much stuff in here, my gosh. I'm having a garage sale today, so yeah, where's my magnet? Oh, it's in the other room, hold on. Alright, I managed to find this one, so I don't know how good it is. Alright, 3, 2, wait for it to flash. Alright. Is it not powerful enough? What the heck? Oh, there it is.
Attention please, there has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevators. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan.
Alright. Is that all activated? This is a relay module, so it, clicks whenever the system activates. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this one without stepping on my bed. Oops. No, that's not gonna work. I'll just take my shoes off. So as you can see, 6700 is going back in its box. And boy, is this bright. There we go.
Attention please, there has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevators. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan.
Show the strobe in here for the last time. You guys can't really see it. It's bright. I'll take it. Put flash on. There we go. Yeah, it's flashing. Alright. Time for a system reset. Yep. This is the last time. goodbye, Mr. 6700. Yep, that's pretty much it. It's gonna be a while if I do make another video, but when I do, it's probably just gonna be updates on this. And yeah, as you can see over here, I got some conduit fittings. So that's another thing. Everything's gonna be in conduit. And yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great day. See ya.